Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Snappables on Snapchat. Snapchat offers a new type of lenses called Snappables. They let you play games like a dance-off or basketball through touch, motion, and facial expressions. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use them. Go to the camera screen, press on the smiley icon at the bottom. The lens row will pop up alongside the button. Here you can see a big variety of lenses. Also, you can tap the Explore icon and find much more lenses there. So find the lens you want to try and click on it. Press and hold the button to capture a snap. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Snappables on Snapchat. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.